Hello, it's Momo here. Today we're at Shibuya. We're gonna do a street interview about luxury bags. So is that okay? We post a video on TikTok.
That's so fun.
So what's your name?
Maxine.
Maxine, my name is Momo. Nice to meet you.
Nice to
and
meet
we
you.
saw this beautiful Miu Miu bag over here. When did you got this bag?
I actually found this yesterday in a vintage store in Shinagawa. So good.
We are a vintage luxury company.
Oh my
That's
gosh,
why
amazing.
we like doing this video.
Yeah.
So can you tell me what you like about this bag? Why you got this?
Miu Miu is one of my favorite designer brands.
Yeah.
I have a few of their bags. I love this one because it's not the leather. I can't remember what it's called, but I just love how loved it looks.
Yeah,
Looks
and then
so,
it's got two-way. You can do
Yeah,
crossbody.
and
You
it's a
can do
little-
the handbag.
cute little handheld
Yeah.
too, which is really cute.
Yeah.
But I love how loved it looks.
Yeah.
Looks like it's been worn a
So
lot.
you just mentioned your favorite brand is Miu Miu.
Yeah,
do
my
you have
favorite brand.
any other brand you like?
I love Miu Miu and Bottega, I think is my other
Bottega,
one.
yeah.
I love a Jody bag.
I mean, what's your dream bag? If you don't think about any budget, which one is?
Oh, I
bag?
really love the Andiamo bag from
the
Bottega.
Andiamo,
I
yeah.
love that one. In
So-
the big red one.
Yeah.
It's like $11,000 back
I know.
home in Australia. So
Yeah, but maybe you can think about the vintage because second
Yeah,
hand,
exactly.
and
It's
then
so
maybe
good.
condition, the price is better.
this was $200.
In Japan, the vintage luxury is
That's
really
amazing.
developed, so you can find so many beautiful
Yeah.
bags. Have you ever got a vintage luxury bag and it's here?
We got it here.
So where you come from?
Australia, Melbourne.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Follow us